And what do you think other readers who pick up this book should expect out of it?
Readers should expect an amazing book because people prefer Dan Brown or J.K. Rowling, the magic, mystery, thriller. But this is one of those books that conveys a simple yet leave you thinking that should I start homeschooling? So when Nimaya conveys the past, it's very dark. And then suddenly Samara enters in with her butterflies, strawberries, the fairies. So every time the mood gets very dark for the reader to handle, Samara comes and subdues it. So it's written in a very entertaining manner, and I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I expect that other readers shall do so too.
And the title, Lovedale Married to Life, what do you think married to life means?
Married to life, the first time I heard the title was you marry the person you love, and life is something you should enjoy to your fullest. Like Nimaya, she said that she was afraid of animals, and she had buried her past within herself. And when she opens up to Siesta, she feels lighthearted, and then she starts enjoying life by the riverside, the lake, the beautiful garden of Lovedale. So the title, I think, is the best.
And are you married to life?
Yes, I am. I personally think that God wanted happiness in the world, so He created books. And so yes, this book is quite good, and I am married to life. The way Siesta and Natalia try to battle the problems that their kids face in the school is the core and the essence of the book. So I suggest that other readers who like books that convey a social meaning or are simple on the top but have a deeper meaning underneath it, so I would suggest readers having that pre-thought in mind to read this book.
How did this book change your perspective of looking at the education system?
This book has changed my way of thinking quite a lot. This used to happen in the school quite a lot of time, that teachers did not speak proper English, or the marks would be cut off, like it happened to Shemai. But I never really paid attention to that. I was like, yes, after some time it will improve, after some time. And I also liked the way the PT was brought into the picture, that parents did not question about their education, the way their education was important to their kids. But this book left me thinking that yes, why are not all parents like Siesta and Natalia questioning that why is my kid subjected to a stress-free routine from studies but not with cultural activities or dance practices. So this book left me thinking quite a lot of things.
If there is one question that you would want to ask to the current education system, then what would that be?
The question that I would like to pose to the current education system is that why is more of emphasis laid on co-curricular activities and not on academics like dance, music, craft, and why is this leading to the skipping of important grammar concepts? And you may see that students nowadays cannot speak proper or fluent English. So I would like to question this to the system, that by stress-free, do they mean stress-free from the studies?